Okay, my name is Markus Kugelbauer. I'm Regional Sales Manager at Texas Instruments. I would say it's a very smart way to engage with a lot of customers, and we have had many interested customers in this workshop. It allows us to show them how easy it is to work with our low power, low cost microcontrollers, and this is an ideal moment to exchange those news with them and to see their reaction, and they have been very excited about it. Looking about the content we prepared, we had a theoretical session up front, and then we had 2 hands-on sessions, and so this was our approach, and this is what we prepared. And what I did, I asked our customers how they perceive this and what they think about it, what they thought about it, and what I've heard is that they have been very excited about. They like to see which strong progress we have done with to evaluate our portfolio, and also they have been excited to see how easy it is to use and work with our controllers, and this has been very fascinating.
I'm Halik Chi from China, Shanghai, and I'm from Texas Instruments.
I'm Zoe, and same like Halik, I also from the MSP product lines. I'm application engineering also, and we are both from the Texas Instrument. You know, Texas Instrument is is very famous for the analog device, but it's also recently have launched very tons of embedded processors as well. And Halik and I just belongs to MSP M0 product lines. It means the MSP M0 is also, we will have maybe launch very, very famous, very, very much product in the latest year.
I think this workshop will help customer better understanding what we can offer to customer. Very easy to use MCU, and customer will know what we have and these materials for both hardware and software resources. We can give the customer all the resources we have, and to help customer build a strong application in industrial. And also we have hands-on section. We will show how to use our MSP M0 and how easy to use our MSP M0, and customer will know our M0 better. That's it.
Yeah, you know, our MSP M0 is a very entry level microcontrollers, and just I know it's very easy to use, but some just for customer we want to accelerate their development. So TI also launch very easy use tools for their reference. And in these workshops, we just show how easy, how simple you can use the MSP M0, and we just give the overview and whole the portfolios, whole families, and for their reference, they can choose they want what kind of MCU they want, what series they want, and they can use the very easy use tools just to develop themselves. And also, as Halik have mentioned, that we have prepared 2 sections hands-on for just to have them to practice how to use the MCU and to just get their feelings and also get their feedbacks from them. Just we want to help get the feedback, and we will in the future we will also develop based on their feedbacks. Yeah.
Firstly, we will give customer maybe overview of our product. Then we will give a detailed introduction of every section, what device we have and what the spec we have. And after that, we will give some customer more introduction for how to develop our MSP M0. And now customer know how to use it. We will try to practice. And now 2 hands-on session is coming. After 2 hands-on session, customer will know how to use our MSP M0. And after maybe back to office, they will test it and help us to maybe build a strong relationship between customer and us.
Yes, the first we will show the portfolio, show the overviews for the customer that not only analog device but also MSP M0 have the very famous, very much different kinds of series of MSP M0, and they can choose, and also tell that we will have what's our key investment for this product and what's the key features for the product. Let the customer know that why they choose MSP M0, why we can have the competitions to the other vendors. Why our MSP M0 can be easily used, because we have a lot of very complete ecosystem for their reference. And then after that, we will have the hands-on for them, and let them to practice that enhance that to know how to use our tools, how to develop our MSP M0. Yeah, it's okay.